LJ here, welcome back to another video. We have another spooky box unboxing. So this is the third and final one that I back ordered. And I'm so excited for this one because it's The Craft. It's themed around The Craft, which as a teenager was one of my favourite films. And yeah, it was one of my favourite films, and so as soon as I saw it was called The Craft, I had to order it, and I can't wait to see what's in this one. The last two have been incredible, and I can't wait for the one that's coming, and I can't wait for this to be a regular subscription. If you're enjoying these type of videos, I'll link the previous two up. I don't know which side it is. I never know which side it is. Because I film with a phone, if I film on the back or on the front, it's on a different side and I just get so confused. So, apologies. I'll link it somewhere. If you are enjoying these unboxings, then please give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing. You know, I'm hoping that those of you who are here for the health life updates don't mind these, because this is now a big part of my life. I'm super excited. So this is box 65. So I think we had 14, 30 something, and now 65. I know the current subscription box is 85. So yeah, I need to calm myself down before I open this because I am so excited. I love The Craft. I could still watch that film now. I've watched it recently. I say recently. I've watched it, you know, within the last 4 or 5 years. If not more recently than that, and I think it's a classic. Don't get me wrong, it's not the best made film in the world, but it is a classic, absolute classic, and it's one of my favourites, so I can't wait to open this. I'm kind of delaying it ever so slightly to build the excitement and calm myself down, if that makes sense. But okay, let's open this beauty up. So I'm doing it the same way, I'm not going to look. So, I haven't opened this yet. Oh, for those of you who asked, the back is just the address of where it comes from. So, there is... something fell out. Let me find the thing that fell out. What is this? Oh, okay. That is the thing that says, hey, you bought these boxes. Here is your receipt. I'm not sure why it's in this box, but hey, let's try again. So that's inside. And, right. What the flip? Oh, I've totally got it wrong. I don't think this is to do with the film. I don't think this is to do with the film at all. So, we have a large bag which says Witchy Stitch, handmade hexes and crafts. I think it's about making things. I think it's about being a crafter. You know how excited I got about that pencil case in the last one? This is even better. I was really sad when it came out and I thought, hold on, that's nothing to do with the film. And now I'm super excited. So, we have the bag. So it's quite a large one. Oh, beautifully purple lined. So it does say Witchy Stitch, but I don't sew or stitch or knit or anything, but that would work beautifully for taking a project away or packing up a certain project or something. And it has the little spooky box tag. God, that's beautiful. Okay, what's next? Oh, the card is next, so I'll show you the card and we'll look at it at the end. Oh, we have a little pin. Hold Okay, it's not a pin. It's a needle minder. So it's magnetic and it will attract pins. So it's supposed to be for like when you're sewing or something like that and you take your pins out. You can put them in like a pin ball thing. Or you can get a magnet to attach them to. And it says, oh, it glows in the dark as well! I'll keep all your pins and needles safe and securely attached to your project. Boo. If any of you on here have been over to Twitch and followed me on Twitch and ever stick around to watch me craft, you will know that I lose the pin to my glue about 10 times an hour. I won't lose it anymore. Because if I like stick this to the side and then I put my pin on it, I will always know where my pin is. Okay, breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, I really want a box themed around the film The Craft. But this is amazing. Okay, what's next? Oh, a bag of goodies. Try not to rip these because I like being able to reuse these in journals and things. What do we have today? We have, ooh, wow, red and white lolly. Super good. I'm going to take the tape off here without ripping anything. Look at that. Okay. What's next? Golden snake embroidery scissors. Snipping threads and stabbing hearts. Oh, these are those really nice fancy scissors, aren't they, that I see people have. These might be really good for fussy cutting. They're going to be good for cutting. I wonder if they will cut paper or whether it will be for like my ribbons and threads and things. But it's got a tassel on and the snakes, I don't know if you can see, come round the handles. So cute, and I love the little envelope they've come in as well. That is super adorable. Oh, the note about the candy, that's fine. That's really sweet. There's another bag thing. There's another bag thing. Okay, so this is the same images on with the sewing and the thing and the paper clips. What are they? What are they called? It's not a paper clip. Safety pin. With the cauldron, and it just says notions and potions. Okay, I'm a little bit in love. And again, lined in purple. Oh my god. This is awesome. It's a cross stitch project. A little one that says spooky with a bat. It has the hoop, the needle, the fabric and the floss. And you just need scissors. So it's going to be a bit like these two. But one that I made myself. Cool. Well, I'll be making that over on Twitch. So, you should come see once I've done it. Never done a cross stitch myself. That's so cool. And there is something else. So there's two more things. Witchcraft hauntingly handmade batty head sewing pins. I wonder. Okay, these have got confetti in. I don't want to confetti everywhere. There we go. Oh my god. So they are pins with a little bat head on them. I wonder if they're stainless steel. Because if they're stainless steel, they can go in my glue and be... Okay, well, there's one way to find out. First thing first, where is that magnetic... They're not attaching to that, which is a shame. I just lost something, didn't I? I just knocked something off. I'll find it in a second. Okay, and then the last thing in the box is... Oh my god, I love it. A black tape measure. Just... normal tape measure. Inches on one side, centimetres on the other. In black. Beautiful. Yeah, okay. I was a little sad when I realised it wasn't about the film, The Craft, but actually, totally worth it. That's amazing. This box is amazing. Okay, let's read the thing. So, The Craft, box number 65. Witchy crafts and gothicy sewing essentials for spooks. So, custom made big witchy stitch project clutch. Yes, I mean... I'm sorry. How cool is that? Okay. Notions and potions pouch. So freaking cool. DIY spooky cross stitch. Ah, that's what I knocked on the floor. Bear with me. Spooky cross stitch. A set of batty head sewing pins in bottle. Love it. I wonder if they are stainless steel. I wonder. All black tailor's fabric measuring tape. Yes. Golden snake fancy tasselled embroidery scissors. Yes. Ghost minder magnetic needle minder. Yes. I'm sad those pins don't attract to the magnet. I have to give it a check again. And then Spooky Box Candy of the Month, yes. Okay, I'm a little overexcited now. Hey kitten. Hello. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come and say hello to everybody. There's my little witch's cat. Aren't you, Magrat? If anyone knows where the name Magrat comes from, let me know. This is my witchy cat name, aren't you? My little black witchy cat. She's so cute. She's so cute. Okay. Right, you have to let me know what your favourite thing in this box was. I honestly don't know what my favourite thing is. I honestly do not know. A little bit obsessed. If you give, I doubt they would watch this, but if you guys are watching this, and you work at Spooky Box, a box about the film The Craft would be amazing, but also more boxes like this, and the last one where it had stationery and bags and crafty stuff in is amazing. Okay. I need to go calm down now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what your favourite thing is. And I'll see you on the next one. Loopy love.